Hello, my name is Stephanie. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Georgia Career Information System, or commonly referred to as GCIS, to compare facts and information of two similar careers within the state of Georgia. GCIS provides current and accurate occupational and education information to schools throughout Georgia in order to help young people and adults make informed career choices. First, from the GCIS homepage, you will be prompted to enter a username and password to log in. Information regarding login credentials can be obtained by contacting the GMC library staff. Once you are logged into the database, you will find many career-related resources to help you explore various educational and employment opportunities. But for the sake of this video, we will be focusing on how to compare two similar occupations. To be directed to the occupation comparison page, place your cursor on the Occupations tab located on the dark blue banner at the top of the page. Then click the Compare Occupations link under the How Do I Compare Occupations section. You can choose two occupations to compare from the list provided. They are arranged in alphabetical order and can be found by clicking the appropriate letter that corresponds with the beginning letter of an occupation. For optimum comparison results, it is best to choose two occupations that are in a similar field. For this example, I will be using dental assistants and dental hygienists. After your selected occupations are displayed in the left table, click Compare. You will then be taken to a page that compares the results of your selected occupations. The first displayed is an overview of the two professions. Furthermore, to continue comparing facts and data regarding the occupations, simply click on the corresponding links on the left-hand side of the page. Various information includes the following: educational preparation, licensing and certification agencies to contact, regional and state hourly and yearly pay, and statistical employment outlook. For additional help and support, click on the technical support link at the bottom of the page. Or contact GMC library staff for assistance. Happy career searching!